is about the only thing stopping the enemy rampaging far and wide, but it's under siege and about to fall. I need you to do whatever you can to keep the bastion in Imperial hands. The main approach is likely shot from the swarm, but there is a secret entrance upriver. Use it and defend the fort in any way you can.
Mundur Oslo.
Black one!
Damn it.
Above! Warrior rats! Here before the sun of and the Empire! Assassins!
Come, I cannot kill them all alone.
Let the weeds be obeyed!
There's potions here!
Gas rat, somewhere close.
Lend me your light!
One less abomination in the world.
Rattling! Just like that. Bloody black!
Vile poison! That's another! The Kira's spoon! Rat ogre!
I have killed! That's a nasty wound, sir. If you can't shoot straight, some get to the door. No squirming, guarding, or it'll do more bad than good.
My bow reaches where your hips are not, Strangler. See? Elves can't bear to You'd notice a scar through that beard of yours.
Maybe you... Yeah, that rattler's done for. I hear something. Gas rats. Do your folk have fortresses, elves?
Not as you'd understand them. The living world is our fortress, and we shape it to our need.
So we're talking trees.
Not only trees, but rivers, mountains, and the wings of storms.
You see that? With the zombie around, reckon I can take it. That's nothing. Just training, that's all. Besides, we'll do it without you.
Hush! Can't hear more coming. Goblins like your stolen heroes.
All up, far and near.
Better fortunate for living, I think.
Die, Dory.
The unmistakable aroma of Ratman artifice and flame as well.
And it draws nigh. Savin' slaver! Bloody thing's gonna blow!
We'll follow the river.
Stop me! Gonna die! Oh, that's bloody marvellous, that is. Wait, you want that? I've spotted ammunition! Black one! The Blight Storm have pawned the box!
Lesbian fight!
You'll never be as good as us, Reed. Assassin! I help. Now,
Where is your god head, one-eye?
Whoa!
Dressing your wound, sir. Always reliable. Please, Fraulein.
Let the weeds be up there.
Bloody black rats! Here an assassin!
Light swimmer, in position.
Strangler! Oh, slap that black rat! Right, Stormer. John! Killing! All that. You're a brilliant to your regiment. It's all service, sir. We're all crackheads in the same cause.
Same cause. Of course, alright. Another wave of smoke. I like to crash against me.
Shielded rats! Take heed!
Shoot much, but heads little.
There's ammunition here. Battling gun, move! Here, ammunition! Slaughter don't get easier to see.
There's a fire out nearby.
You are of no guilt. Heal the monster! And bloody Sigmar!
Your hands are filthy. Leave me be.
Bombs inbound! Look, potions! Hear that? Sounds like an assassin. That's a gas rat. No, that sound. Rattling gunner. One moment. Medical supplies here. Die, will ya? Yeah, the rattling's dead. Listen, Sigmar. That last blow went deeper than I thought. Gas rat? Yeah, it's a gas rat. Here, that's a storm burning. Let him play that bloody battering rat. Storm burning. Coming through. Almost there, mates. Nice exercise. Well, still bloody hurts, but at least I'm not bleeding. One for all here.
Aim with care, mayflies. They don't get another shot.
The fuse is lit. A hit by Sigmar. A glorious hit. By Sigmar and the hammer. I judge you all. Yep. Stop fighting wounded bodies. Assassin rat. Can hear. Oh, it's something inside. Feeling better? It shan't slow me, Grimgate.
There are assassin eyes in the dark.
The secret passage is well hidden. We may need your help. And another one's gone. Now, one more time. Let the cannon voice our thoughts about the rabbit.
A strangler comes. Should kill it quickly.
Strangler dead. That's them! No, that's it! Not to run him down. Kill him! You're a second to your regiment. It's all service, sir. We all crack heads in the same cause.
Same cause. The forces are so alike. You're barely hiding all one on.
Ow, baby.